Це що нам, ну, куди піти, бо бігають зараз поганяють.
The battlefield around Pokrovsk in Ukraine's Donetsk region erupted into chaos this week as Ukrainian Kamikaze drones carried out a series of devastating strikes against Russian forces, underscoring how rapidly modern warfare is being reshaped by unmanned technology. What unfolded was a calculated and relentless operation that turned the skies into a lethal threat and left Russian positions shattered. According to Ukrainian military sources, the operation began with extensive aerial reconnaissance, as surveillance drones silently hovered above Russian troop concentrations. Hidden among tree lines, trenches, and damaged buildings, Russian soldiers appeared unaware that they had already been marked as targets in a carefully planned assault. Moments later, kamikaze drones, small, fast, and explosive-laden, were launched in waves, racing toward their targets at low altitude. Video footage released by Ukrainian units shows the drones weaving through debris and smoke before striking with pinpoint accuracy, detonating directly above or within Russian defensive positions. The first impacts caused immediate confusion. Explosions tore through foxholes and makeshift shelters, forcing surviving soldiers to flee into open ground, where they became even more vulnerable. The constant buzzing of drones overhead reportedly created panic, as troops struggled to determine where the next strike would come from. Ukrainian commanders described the attacks as part of a broader effort to weaken Russian defensive lines around Pokrovsk, a strategically vital area that has seen heavy fighting for months. By targeting infantry units rather than armored vehicles alone, Ukrainian forces aim to disrupt morale as much as battlefield logistics. As the strikes continued, Russian attempts to return fire proved largely ineffective. The drones' speed and maneuverability made them difficult to hit, while electronic warfare countermeasures failed to stop many from reaching their targets. Each successful strike sent shockwaves through nearby units, amplifying the sense of helplessness. Witnesses on the ground reported seeing Russian soldiers abandoning positions, leaving behind weapons and supplies in a desperate attempt to escape. Some sought cover in damaged buildings, only to be struck again moments later by follow-up drone attacks that appeared to anticipate their movements. Ukrainian officials emphasized that the operation demonstrated the growing sophistication of their drone units. Many of the kamikaze drones were reportedly guided by real-time intelligence, allowing operators to adjust course mid-flight and strike targets with devastating precision. Military analysts say the battle around Pokrovsk highlights a turning point in the conflict. Traditional infantry tactics are increasingly vulnerable to low-cost, high-impact drones that can be deployed in large numbers, overwhelming defenses and exhausting troops psychologically as well as physically. For Russian forces, the strikes represent yet another challenge in holding territory across eastern Ukraine. Repeated losses from drone attacks have forced commanders to rethink troop deployments, spreading units thinner and limiting their ability to mount coordinated counterattacks. Meanwhile, Ukrainian forces continue to adapt and innovate. The use of kamikaze drones allows them to strike without exposing soldiers to direct combat, reducing casualties while maintaining constant pressure on enemy lines. This approach has become a cornerstone of Ukraine's defensive and counteroffensive strategies. Residents near Pokrovsk reported hearing explosions throughout the day as the fighting intensified. Smoke columns rose above the horizon, serving as a grim reminder that the front line remains dangerously close to civilian areas despite ongoing evacuation efforts. International observers have taken note of the footage emerging from the region, calling it a stark example of how drone warfare is redefining modern conflicts. The psychological impact alone, experts say, can be as damaging as the physical destruction caused by the explosions. As night fell over the Donetsk region, Ukrainian drones reportedly continued patrolling the skies, searching for any remaining targets. The persistent presence ensured that Russian forces could not regroup or safely reinforce damaged positions. The battle for Pokrovsk is far from over, but the latest drone strikes have once again shown how Ukraine's kamikaze drone operations are reshaping the battlefield, delivering precision, fear, and destruction from above, one strike at a time.